You know, you do the typical thing, you graduate from high school and you want to go anywhere else than where you're at. I did that. Then I found that this is exactly where I wanted my kids to learn the basic values in life.
Our family has been in the hardware business for over 43 years. First started working with my father and grandfather when I was 11 years old. I've always been a hands-on person. Fix it myself, repair it myself, be Mr. Fix-It.
Small, close community that it is, customer service is huge. People ask for Monty, or they ask for Sean, or they ask for Chris because they had a good experience with them. You can't train that experience, it happens.
Being able to see them go on the floor, wait on the customers, smile with them, that part's great. Without our employees, we would not have a business. We are the Bartels of Lewistown Ace Hardware, and we are open for business.